Thank you for joining us on the step-by-step guide series. Now, this is the fifth in the series. We began this series by talking about a step-by-step guide to making millions from YouTube. And then we moved to a step-by-step guide to making money from Quora. And then we had a step-by-step guide to making money from affiliate marketing. And yesterday we did a step-by-step guide to making money from Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Now, what are we talking about today? We're talking about a step-by-step guide to making money from dropshipping. A step-by-step guide to making money from dropshipping. Now, until very recently, most people on earth, if we're going to be honest, did not know what dropshipping was. I didn't know what it was until maybe sometime last year. And you're probably wondering, what is dropshipping? A lot of people have that question, and it's very simple, and without further ado, we're going to break it down into small, manageable steps. Now, here's what you have to understand. Almost everything in life can be achieved when you break it down into small, manageable steps. Almost everything in life. And that's how the manufacturing process goes. You have an assembly line whereby you have different people doing little things, and then they all put it together, and you have a car, a plane, a phone, a computer, a laptop, a toaster, whatever it is. So breaking down these steps into little manageable portions makes it possible for anybody with a laptop and internet, or with a smartphone and internet, in my case, to make money. So dropshipping is just a retail fulfillment policy. It's just a retail fulfillment policy. That's just fancy language for saying that it's a way for doing retailing, retail marketing. So what it is that you're fulfilling a retailing obligation. That means like you have a virtual shop, you have e-commerce, and then people come to your e-commerce shop and then they see an item that they like and then they buy it. But you, as the drop shipper, you don't have any inventory. None of those things that you market on your e-commerce site or your website or online, maybe on social media, none of those things belong to you. You don't stock them. You don't have an inventory. You don't have a store where you pay rent, and then you have like a cashier, and then you have goods, maybe you have to have a guard. So it's just, the funniest thing is that drop shipping right now is the biggest, fastest, and most successful way for making money online. It's now bigger than YouTube, it's bigger than Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or even affiliate marketing. I don't know if it's going to stay that way forever, but it is that way for now. So how do you start drop shipping? It's very easy. It's very easy. One thing I'd advise you have to put in some intellect into this. Now, I put in intellect, and that's what will stand you from the crowd, because most people just want to go with the flow. They don't want to add value to the intellectual process. So what I do is like I go on Amazon and then I check out the trending products. And then I go on Alibaba and I check out the trending products. I go on other websites, other large retailing websites, eBay, Shopify. You check out the trending products, and what you want to do, you want to stock some of those products. Just create a store, and then where you're stocking some of those products. And then what happens is that when somebody comes to your store, your e-commerce store, and then they make a retail purchase, what happens is that you accept their money, and then immediately you just make that transaction on, maybe it's on Shopify or Amazon or Alibaba, and then the product is shipped directly by that third party to the people buying it. Now, you might ask yourself and say, but why don't they just do that themselves? A lot of people, you have to understand that there is so much demand for products that people don't even know that they want. So there's a large demand. It's like the iPhone. When Steve Jobs, when he conceptualized the iPhone, he said people don't even know that they want this product. So he was way into the future for what people wanted, for demand, for what was going to trend. And so that's what you're doing. People are not going to be aware that they just want like a very fancy silk scarf that is irresistible. But when you are on Amazon and you're seeing it trending, when you are on eBay and you're seeing it trending, when you're on Alibaba and you're seeing it trending, now you know that, oh, this is going to sell. And so you bring it in, and then people haven't seen that anywhere. They're seeing it for the first time on your e-commerce site, on your online site, and then they want to buy it. Now, it's so easy. And then there are people who are making $10,000 every day from dropshipping. There's I think the boy is now 19, but he was 18 when he started, and then he's making millions every quarter, millions of dollars. So how can you make the process easier? You can you can do, like I said, you have your own e-commerce site, and then you put, so like maybe the product is $5 on Alibaba, maybe it's $6 on Amazon, and maybe it's $7 on Shopify. And so what you want to do is, like, you just want to add your little margin. Don't be greedy, don't add a lot, add a little margin, and then you put it there. And then, so maybe you sell the product, maybe you sell 500 in a day, and then you make make $1 on top of it. That's $500. And then eventually that product is going to stop selling, because people are going to get wise that, oh, they can get it from here, they can get it from there, they can get it from there. Then you move on to the next new trending thing. Or there is a feature, it's called Oberlo. So that's Oberlo. It's going to come up. It's going to come up on the screen, and so you can go on Oberlo. I think Oberlo is owned by Shopify, if I'm not mistaken, and they just help you. They connect you with thousands of wholesalers all around the world, and then all you just have to do is you put it on your Shopify account, and then voila, you're a dropshipper. But the thing about Oberlo, I think it limits you to Shopify, so you might want to go with the method I'm talking about. And you see, dropshipping, like, although it sounds complicated, if you're in a country like Nigeria, for instance, and you're watching me, there's a big scandal about a super cop. His name is Abba Kyari. Now, what Abba Kyari did with Abbas, also known as Hush Puppy, is actually dropshipping, where he said he arranged for his tailor to make clothes for Hush Puppy, and then he arranged for the clothes to be shipped to him. Now that's drop shipping. You see, Abba Kyari did not make the clothes, did not handle the courier servicing, but he made some money, allegedly, from his testimony. So you see, that is drop shipping. If Abba Kyari, a cop with limited education, can do it, you can do it. My name is Reno, and I encourage you, please follow my hashtag, FreeLeahSharibu. It's the reason why I'm really doing this. I'm not doing this for money. I'm just doing this as a new way to keep this hashtag alive. Leah is a Christian girl abducted in 2018 February by radical Islamic terrorists called Boko Haram, and they've kept her. They abducted several girls, but they released all of them because they were Muslims, and they kept her because she's a Christian and she refused to give up her faith in Christ Yeshua. So I want you, please pray for her, follow the hashtag, keep it alive, don't forget her. My name is Reno. Thank you for watching.